Welcome to the machining workshop, where precision meets power. Safety always comes first before any machine starts. Always wear your personal protective equipment, safety glasses, ear protection, and proper footwear. Secure loose clothing, remove jewelry, and tie back long hair to stay safe around rotating tools. Keep your workspace clean and organized. Clutter can cause trips, slips, and accidents. Never clear metal chips with your hands. Always use a brush or tool to avoid cuts. Inspect your machine before use. Make sure guards, shields, and tools are properly fitted. Only trained and authorized people should operate machines. Ask for help if you're unsure. Double-check all settings before you cut. Precision starts with preparation and attention. Avoid distractions, no phones, no chatting. Stay alert while machines are running. Never reach over or near rotating parts. Wait until all motion has stopped. Use machine guards and covers for cutting and grinding. They protect you from flying debris. Clean spills immediately and mark slippery areas to prevent slips and falls. Know where emergency stops and first aid kits are. In emergencies, act fast and stay calm. At the end of your shift, turn off machines and clean your area. A safe end is a smart habit. Safety isn't just a rule, it's a habit. Work smart, stay safe, and keep the workshop accident-free.